Hi guys, today we'll see how to get rid of pigmentation which can occur either on your face or any part of your body. It can be on the neck, it can be on your arms, so it can be due to the sun, it can be due to some hormonal deficiencies or due to some medication. In my case it is due to the medication, excessive use of medication. So this is a simple home remedy which can be used even with kids and all, because it is a natural home remedy. And here is how we do it. For this, all you need, believe it or not, is a peeled potato. So you take a peeled potato and cut it into a thick slice like this, and then you rub it on the affected areas like so. Gently rub it for 8 to 10 minutes. If you feel that the slice is too dry, you can always dip it in some water. And if you feel that the potato in slice needs to be changed, feel free to change the slice. Make sure you do this for 8 to 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day. After 8 to 10 minutes, you can go rinse your face with regular tap water. You will be seeing visible results in a very short time, if not at least in a couple of weeks. If you have ever used this before, please do let us know in the comment box below. Please do like, share and subscribe for more such home remedies. Thank you.